Dragonfly, a leading drone developer, and Nightingale Security have been chosen by a major oil and gas company to develop a fully automated unmanned aircraft system solution. The project will mark a significant step in leveraging advanced unmanned aircraft system remote sensing technology to enhance infrastructure monitoring and operational efficiency in the oil and gas sector. The first phase, focused on sensor validation, is complete, with in-field testing set for the year's end. Future phases will integrate Dragonfly APEX with Nightingale's automated flight software for continuous monitoring in remote, hazardous environments. Cameron Chell, CEO of Dragonfly, stated, "The integration of the Dragonfly APEX with this custom sensor suite and Nightingale's innovative drone-in-a-box capabilities underscores the versatility and reliability of our platform in tackling some of the most complex industrial challenges." Dragonfly is the creator of quality cutting-edge drone solutions, software, and AI systems that revolutionize how organizations can do business and serve their stakeholders, serving the public safety, agriculture, industrial inspections, and surveying markets. Shares of Dragonfly trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol DPRO. For more information or to sign up for our free daily newsletter, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.